Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. So this is a 1965 Ford GT40 Mark 1. So this is the okay. I don't have a sticker peeled on this one, but this is second in the set. So let me just remove it from this card here. Okay, here it is. So here is the card art. The card art looks really beautiful, and from the rear as well. So I bought this for MRP, which is $8.99. Okay, here is the bottom of the box. It says Majorette. That's it. Okay, let me unscrew this. Okay, so let's get into the casting. Okay, so here is the casting. So out of the box, the casting looks really nice. Okay, I don't know how they got some scratches on the windshield. It has a little bit of scratches here. Okay, let's talk about that later. Let's talk about rest of the casting now. So it has acrylic inserts for the headlights, and it looks really good. And so the tail lights are okay. Tail lights are actually painted. It is embossed and painted on top of it. So you can see the exhaust details here. That looks really good. And you can see the engine detailing here. It looks really good. So the interior looks really nice actually. I'm really happy they are going with you know true to everything when it comes to a specific car. So the hood looks really nice. I mean, the paint job looks really good on this one. It is a very mild glittery red with that golden pinstriping on. So this is a full metal casting, metal body and metal chassis. So I really love this matted out chassis instead of giving different colors or just not painting it at all. Okay, the wheels are actually rubber. The tires are rubber with plastic rims. So this is not actually rolling. At least the other two rolled well. I mean, in my hands. The rear wheel is a bit free. Front wheel is not. So these are collector models, so they are not going to play with it anyway. But the detailing on this things for 899 looks really good. I'm hoping it would be having some kind of suspension. Okay, it does not. No, it doesn't have any suspension. It does not. I can't able to press it down. So this is how it stands. But it looks really nice. Okay, let's weigh this casting now. 29 grams, not bad. It does have the grill detailing here, that looks really good. They did put some effort on this castings compared to their premium series and all. It is nice to have a premium in between the segments, like instead of getting a mini GT or Pop Race always, If Majorette is going to come up with all this, older cars, and because a lot of people like me, we do love this older cars. I'm really hoping they would do a Countach, because this is by Majorette. I'm really waiting for them to do a Countach or a Miura. I don't think they did a Miura even in this normal variant, but I'm hoping they would do something like that, or a Gallardo or Aventador or a Huracan. If they're doing something like that in this specific series, it is going to be a blast. Okay, so let's rate this casting now. Again, so this windshield scratch here, slight scratch here, I mean, some that is more specific to mine, so don't need to worry about yours. Yours might not have that, so don't worry. So I'm giving a 10 out of 10 for this. There is nothing here to reduce points. Again, these are collector models, so we are not going to do roll test. So this one is not really rolling that well more specifically, so I'm not going to put it on the track anyway. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.